The inverse matrix of A is the square matrix with the following property, that A times A inverse is equal to the identity matrix, and A inverse times A is also equal to the identity matrix. Calculate the products AB and BA to verify that B is the inverse of A. You may use the calculator to multiply. So on the calculator, we want to enter in this matrix into matrix A and this matrix into matrix B, and then multiply A times B. So if we do that, we get the 3 by 3 identity matrix for A times B. And then if we do B times A, we also get the 3 by 3 identity matrix. So yes, this means that the original A and B are inverses. If we do the same thing on question 5, we get 1, -1, 0, -1 for AB, and we get 1, 0, -7, -1 for BA. So these are not the identity matrix. So no, the original A and B are not inverses. And then on question 6, if we multiply A times B, we get the 2 by 2 identity matrix for A times B, and we get the 2 by 2 identity matrix for B times A. So yes, the original two matrices are inverses of each other.